If the sheer size or length of the Sony Xperia 1 from earlier this year made you run the other way, the Xperia 5 could be the phone to turn you back around. You might be familiar with Sony's compact line of smartphones from a while back. They were more pocketable versions of their flagship counterparts without sacrificing performance. It wouldn't be wrong to think of the Xperia 5 as the Xperia 1 compact, as both phones aren't too different from each other. The Xperia 5 stretches 6.1 inches with a 2560 by 1080 resolution OLED display with HDR support. It's not as wide as the 6.5-inch Xperia 1, but still has that cinematic 21:9 aspect ratio. Other than a smaller 3140 mAh battery, the Snapdragon 855, 6GB of RAM, and 128GB of internal storage are all brought over from the Xperia 1. You can now also play games like Fortnite on the Xperia 5 with a DualShock 4 controller. The triple camera setup on the back is exactly the same as well. A 26mm main camera, a 52mm telephoto, and a 16mm wide-angle camera. Sony says the phone is also equipped with the same eye autofocus technology as its alpha cameras, which should be interesting to put to the test. The Xperia 5 will be available in select markets starting from October onwards. Sony is still keeping the price of the Xperia 5 under wraps, and there's no word on local availability just yet. So let us know what you guys think of the Xperia 5, and as always, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, thanks, bye.